Kristen. Today I want to talk to you about getting a mortgage with no credit score. So a lot of people think that if you don't have a credit score, you can't get a mortgage, and that's not true. Now, yes, a couple years ago, was it harder? For sure. But everyone's recognizing that there is a debt-free movement going on in our country. Financial gurus such as Dave Ramsey, you have people who saw their parents lose their houses during the foreclosure crisis, people who've may lost their homes during the foreclosure crisis. A lot of people are moving away from having credit cards or debt of any sort. And mortgage companies and institutions have recognized this. So today I'm going to talk to you really quickly about Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and what they have going on. So basically, and I'll have a link to that has this more in detail, they have a no credit score program. Now, Fannie has a different down payment requirement than Freddie Mac, but the key thing to know is that you're going to need at least 5% down, okay? Now, when I say no credit score, if you have credit history that's negative within the last few years, that will work against you. This is really no credit score, no history that's negative. Something that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have a 12-month rental payment history. What that means is that you can show the lender, hey look, here's how I paid my rent for the last 12 months. Now, where I see this go awry often is either someone's like, well, I don't pay for rent, but I pay for utilities. And I'm like, I need you to pay for rent because I have to show 12-month history because that is one of the requirements of the program. Or if someone goes, I pay for my rent with cash. We can't track cash. So if you have no credit score and you don't want to build a credit history, via credit cards and student loans and all that stuff, you're going to want to make sure that you make your rental payments, they're on time, and you have a documentable way to do it. Okay? So the big point of this video was if you don't have a credit score, you can get a mortgage. It will have to be owner occupied. There are some rules to it, but it's not as difficult as it was in the past. So I hope this helped. Please check out the link to the blog that will give you a lot more details.